Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you update on my portfolio that I have been building in 2021. Guys, this is first time in YouTube I'm going to show you my portfolio, and guys remember this is a long-term portfolio that I will be building over the years and why I own a particular stock with investment rationally. So to know more about my portfolio and portfolio building and how it goes and how it performs, please consider subscribing and liking this channel. So at first, I will walk you through all this data that you see on the screen. So this is my investment, right? And the second is the current valuation. So this is the investment and this is the current valuation as per the market price, right? So if we just see this two number, we can see that the total investment so far has gone in 2,12,000 rupees approximately, and the valuation has almost 2,30,000 rupees. So if we just see percentage wise, my portfolio is up by 8.8% till date. Now the same thing we see in a much more concise way in the left side of this data, where we see the first is total investment, as I just explained this thing. So total investment and current valuation. Now the gain is how much current gain or loss we have in this portfolio. So right now we are having a profit of 18,700 rupees. So the portfolio change I have already explained from my investment price until today, what is the gain or what is the percentage gain my portfolio has, which is 8.8%. Now coming to comparing any portfolio's performance, is very important for us to benchmark a particular portfolio. So this portfolio majorly will consist the large cap stock. So that is why we have benchmarked this portfolio with Nifty 50. So that's the same thing that you see here. If the same amount of investment has been made in Nifty 50 instead of the stock that I have purchased, how this portfolio would have performed? So this is the idea this Nifty 50 change will give. So to simply put, my portfolio has changed 8.8%, where the Nifty 50 has changed during the same period 8.7%. So we can see both the portfolio, the Nifty 50 and my portfolio is moving at the same pace. So alpha is basically nothing but the difference between my portfolio and the Nifty. So right now it is 0.1, which is very negligible. Okay, so this is kind of overall view of my portfolio cost, total cost and total valuation in overall. So this is on a very broad level. Now we'll come to much more granular level where we will see different stock that I am owning at different times, right? So the way I am constructing this portfolio is very simple. It is mostly like a SIP type of concept. So what is this concept that I am following it? In this year of 2021, in 12 months, I'm planning to buy total 12 stocks. All this 12 stock, I'm going to split my money equally. So that's the simple principle that I will be following. As per the schedule, what I have done is every month till date, I have bought one stock. Now that's what you see in this screen. 1st Jan, which stock has been purchased. So the first trading day of a particular month, I am buying that particular stock. Now if we see this list, 1st Jan, which is Nestle India, 1st Feb, Pidilite, 1st March, Asian Paint, 1st April, HDFC Bank, and then May and June, Divi's Lab and Kotak Mahindra Bank. So these are all my 6 holdings. So far 6 months has elapsed and I'm having total 6 stocks in my portfolio, and if you see, it is equally been weighted. So now if we check a little bit more on the performance of individual stocks, that we see graphical way. So just looking at this graph here, what you can understand, the Nestle India and Kotak Mahindra Bank below 0%. That means these two stocks are in loss. On the other side, we see Pidilite and Asian Paint has actually exceeded more than 20%. So out of the 6 stocks, 2 stocks has actually given a very good return in the short amount of time, which Pidilite has given 26%, where Asian Paint had given 27% return. So this too has been the stellar performer in this portfolio so far. Now, let me give you a little bit of thought process why and how I'm building this portfolio. Now, all the shares that I'm purchasing, I'm having a very long-term outlook for this. So if the price is going up by 20% or 30% or 40% or maybe double, I actually do not care. I'm not going to sell any of the stock. The same goes the other way around. Means if a portfolio stock is going down by 10% or 20% or 30%, I'll not be much bothered. The only thing that I will keep checking is the performance of the underlying business, because see what Buffett says, about the investing is the stock is not a piece of lottery. Behind every stock, there is an underlying business. If the business do well in a long term, the share price also follow the same trend. So the only concern that I will be having is how the business is performing. So to take this concept in my granular portfolio, if I discuss, the only stock which right now is in red, which is Nestle India. Now I'm not bothered about this minus 5% drop, because if we see Nestle India's business, this business is as good as it was 5 years back. Nestle India was the market leader in baby food production. Today also it is the market leader of baby food production. Almost 97% of the market share of the baby food is owned by Nestle. Nothing much to be bothered here. There another business is very famous brand Maggi. Now, the popularity of the Maggi brand has not reduced, what I can see from the consumer behavior. We used to have Maggi 5 years back. Today also we like Maggi. So there is no threat at all for this business. And one more thing, this business is not getting worse. Rather, this business is getting better, because every year this company is coming up with a lot of new products, and most of the product they launch, they get a massive success. Unlike other FMCG companies, this company, Nestle India, has been growing their profit consistently. 17% profit after tax growth this company is giving years after years after years. So I do not see anything weakening in this company, and rather I see the businesses improving. So nothing much for us to bother about this company. So I will hold this company for a long time. So coming down, what you see in the middle, which is allocation. So in allocation window, what we see is how the money is allocated. If you pay a little bit of attention, then you'll see that most of the stocks, the money is almost equally distributed. There are 6 stocks, and mostly 15% allocation is there. For Asian Paint and Pidilite, this has taken a little bit more allocation because the stock price has gone up. And here we see alpha, which is basically the portfolio performance measure. Right now it is 0.1. So there's actually nothing much to talk about the performance. So I'm having a very long-term outlook of this portfolio. I'm not very much bothered about short-term price movement. So let me know, guys, how you think about my portfolio. And thank you for checking out this, and I'll catch you up in the next one.